Hi, everyone. It's Thursday, June 4th. Happy Thursday. Your parents are going to be returning to Heathcote today to pick up all of your work from school. Please search your house for any classroom or library books and bring them back to school with your parents. I was cleaning up the classroom the other day and I was looking at my Diary of a Wimpy Kid book bin, and I had bought all of new Diary of a Wimpy Kid books this summer, and that bin is less than half full. So please search your rooms or anywhere you might keep some books and see if you can return any of the classroom and library books back to school today. I really appreciate it. Thank you, third graders. Today's Zooms today, please listen carefully as there are some changes. Remember to go into your social studies folder and find the A week schedule. Today, your first Zoom is at 11:30, where the Weinberg Nature Center offers a virtual field trip. Last week, they had some technical difficulties, but I spoke with the coordinator, so we're hoping that this week will go more smoothly. This link is right here. Our class Zoom will be at 1 o'clock today, so it'll be after lunchtime. Please come prepared with your fantasy story typed up somewhere, either on a Google Doc or in your digital notebook in your writing folder. Just make sure that you have your story ready to go. At 2:30, we have our library time, and at 4 o'clock, we have the Heathcote Multicultural Committee's visit to Japan. So that seems to be like it will be very exciting as they're going to be talking about the different cultural elements of Japan, and the link is right here. For today, if you want to continue your work with cursive, please do so. You should be completing anything that was not completed yesterday. In reading, you're going to continue reading your agreed upon book club amount as always and create a new bingo board activity. We are getting towards the end of these, so you guys should be kind of completing almost all of them. So look and find one you haven't done yet and post it to Seesaw. Exciting day in writing. Today, we're going to wrap it all up. You have reached the end. Just as you saw various strategies on how to introduce your story, today you're going to learn about conclusions and try to find out a different way to test out your conclusion writing and then choose the one that best fits your story. Once again, make sure by the end of today you are all typed up with your lesson ready and with your story ready. So watch Miss Boyer's video. And then if you need any help in looking back at the strategies, the slides are right here. Write two different endings, pick one, and then share on Seesaw about your two versions and why you chose the final one. If you do not want to post it on Seesaw, just email me and tell me where you are putting your conclusion so I could check it out. For math today, you are going to take the results of your surveys and put them into a table and a graph. So, the first thing you're going to do is please make sure that you watch my lesson. It's going to be very specific on how to complete this assignment today. You're going to make sure you pop back to that survey question to make sure that I have a few of you who did not submit a survey, which is going to make it very difficult for you to make a graph. So, please, first thing in the morning, make sure you create your survey and post it here. And then also, I want you guys to make sure you click on some new surveys this morning. My friends who posted later in the afternoon may not have enough data for themselves to complete a graph. So make sure you go ahead and click on some new ones so our friends can have some data. Then you're going to go into your math folder where you will see these slides where you will complete a data table. And we have some templates here for some graphs if you want to print them out, or I will share with you each of these graphs in your math folder so you can edit with Cami if that's how you would like to do your data or create your graph. For social studies today, you're going to learn about queens. Miss DeGrazia does a fantastic job today talking about some amazing landmarks. So you'll be talking about the World's Fair, the US Open, and many other parks and landmarks of Queens. Watch this fantastic video Miss DeGrazia provides. Go ahead and check out these three additional videos and then complete the Cultural Universal bubble map on Seesaw. So remember, it gives you two slides The first is what the cultural universals are, and then the second slide is where you're going to put for queens each of these universals. So, Miss DeGrazia talks about who the president of the borough is. That might be in politics. If you're going to economics, look at maybe some of the jobs or the transportation she might mention. Cultural aspects, think about the museums she's going to talk about. Are there any religious or values or education that you can think about for beliefs? And social aspects are the language and the food. So listen carefully to her lesson and then don't write food in social aspects, but think about what the food of Queens is. So you have to be specific to Queens. So think back to yesterday's lesson and today's lesson to be very specific for each. Let me get back to where we need to be. So then, after you complete your social studies, you're going to check your checklist. We're going to read our book club amount. We're going to do a bingo board. We're going to write at least two endings, and then you're going to choose one and put it on Seesaw and tell me all about it. For graphing, you're going to complete a data table and you're going to make at least one graph using your survey data. Make sure if you want to push yourself, you go ahead and do at least one graph. I'd love to see that from some of you. And you're going to learn all about Queens, watch those videos, and complete the Seesaw activity about the cultural universals. And those of you who did not do cursive yesterday, please catch up today. So, third graders, I will see you today at 1 o'clock. Be ready to share your fantasy stories. I'm so excited to see them.